Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain about a discrete random variable. What is random variable? A random variable is a variable whose value is unknown or a function that assigns values to each of an experiment's outcomes. Random variables can be classified into two types, discrete and a continuous. Discrete means it takes at most countable many values. Continuous means if it can take any real number. Discrete random variable. If random variable is defined over discrete sample space, is called discrete random variable. Now, application of a discrete random variable. Application in a civil engineering. If we want to find a load on a specific point in a beam, we can use a discrete functions to find loading at each point on a beam. Second one, suppose a loading on a long thin beam places mass only at discrete points. The loading can be described by a function that specifies the mass at each of discrete points. Similarly, a discrete random variable x, its distribution can be described by a function that specifies the probability at each of the possible discrete values for x. Application 2. Statisticians use sampling plans to either accept or reject batches or lots of construction material. Suppose one of these sampling plans involves sampling independently 10 items from a lot of 100 items in which 12 are defective. Second one, application in electrical engineering. If we want to find the probability of a circuit's accepted or not, if number of a given integrated circuit would be accepted or rejected, we use a discrete PMF. Second one, if we want to find number of semiconductor wafers that need to analyze in order to detect a large particle of a contamination in p-type or n-type material or in doping material, we use random variables or a discrete random variable. If we have a number of a circuit and we need the probability to test circuit to be defective or non-defective, we use a discrete variable distribution to find the number of defective and non-defective circuits. Third one, application in a business. In any business firm, there is a communication system with certain number of lines to communicate data and voice communication. If we need to know the probability of how many lines are working at one time, we use a discrete variables. Conclusion. Random variables are used in all types of economic and financial decision making to carry out random experiments. Thank you.